was getting this, Parikshit Maharaj was getting the fortune of hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. So let us also get this fortune. Like that, demigods came and they heard the story that Parikshit Maharaj had a curse that he will die in 7 days. So Shukamuni is desiring to recite Bhagavatam to him. So what they did, these demigods, they came with the pot of nectar, Amrita. So they came to Shukamuni and they told that please get this nectar and give this nectar to Parikshit Maharaj. And if he takes this nectar, then he will not die in 7 days. He will become Amara. Amara means it's not exactly they will live for eternity, but their lifespan is so long compared to our lifespan. It's as good as they live for eternity. So like that. So if he drinks nectar, he won't die. So let him take this nectar and please give this Bhagavata nectar to us. Then Shukamuni answered them, even a piece of glass may glitter, it may shine, but it cannot be compared to, just because it's shining, it cannot be compared to some valuable jewel like a diamond. So your nectar is just like a piece of glass, and Srimad Bhagavatam is like a diamond. So it cannot be exchanged. When there is some exchange, it should have the similar value, same value. So it cannot be compared, and he denied. This what the glories of Bhagavatam comes in Padma Purana, and Bhagavatam is so glorious that it is not available even to the demigods, and it is available to the people of Bharatavarsha, and by Prabhupada's mercy, now it is available to the whole world. Bharatavarsha means actually whole world. Before Prabhupada, it was available to people of Bharata Bhumi. That was not so easily. After Prabhupada's, by Prabhupada's mercy, now it's very easily available everywhere, all over the world, in every language. So we should know that those who have taken birth in Bharata Bhumi, they are pious people. So little bit push will make them understand, come to their senses, and let them buy Bhagavatam. And what usually we do that, we don't push them for anything else. We don't, in our first conversation itself, we don't preach them that Krishna is the supreme Lord, or you stop eating meat, you follow the regulated principles, or you start chanting. Nothing. We tell that this is the literature for Sanatana Dharma. And Vedvyasa Muni himself says that everyone should have Srimad Bhagavatam, otherwise they are committing suicide. And we should know our glorious culture, otherwise our next generation will not know why we are celebrating Diwali, why we are celebrating Krishna Janmashtami, why we are celebrating Vijay Dashmi, why we are celebrating Yugadi, Sankranti, Shivratri, nothing they will know. So the whole culture will be lost. So better we should take a very important step in our life. And this is very important. And compared to the benefit what we are getting by Bhagavatam, the cost is negligible. It's negligible. I most of the time I say that it's as good as you are getting it for free. I tell my buyers like this. In fact, one of the buyer, he himself told, when I told it has 14,000 pages, and he asked what is the cost. I told for in Kannada it is 8,500. He told if we go to a Xerox shop and take a Xerox also, one page cost 1 rupee. So in that sense also it should be 14,000 rupees, and you are asking only 8,500 rupees, like that he told. And it has so many wonderful colorful pictures and with the hard bound. So even it's no sane person will argue with the cost also. And one more important strategy what we do is to our known people, uh, if they are not able to give in at one time, we give them in installment. That's why we tell devotees to purchase Bhagavatam for distribution. So better purchase some 10 sets of Bhagavatam. You invest from your pocket and take at least some 10 sets and keep it with you, so that definitely Krishna also considers us seriously, that they are taking Bhagavatam distribution seriously, and the mercy flows. If you are cooking and if you don't have the ingredients, then what does it mean? It means that we are not serious in cooking. If you want to cook, then we should have ingredients. And in everybody's kitchen, it's not that we have ingredients only for today. Our rice, dal, all items, masala items will be stocked for at least for few months. And if we are seriously wanting to distribute Bhagavatam, serious in distribution. So the simple formula is take 10 sets of Bhagavatam. And anyway, it's not that you are giving some donation to the temple. After distribution, you are getting back your Lakshmi, and that you can again invest in getting 10 more sets. So this is very important step, because if we are taking Krishna seriously, Krishna will take us seriously. ये यथा माम प्रपद्यन्ते तां तथैव भजाम्यहम् मम वर्तमानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः सर्वशः. If we are taking Bhagavatam seriously, Bhagavatam will also consider us seriously. So take 10 sets. We are having so many items in our house. And Sanatan Goswami says, Man Mahadana, real wealth of devotees is Srimad Bhagavatam. So let our wealth be Srimad Bhagavatam. Let us accumulate not gold, silver, or paper money, or some property, or some house. Let us accumulate our real wealth, Srimad Bhagavatam. Take 10 sets, 20 sets, 30 sets, 100 sets. So let us accumulate this, and Krishna will take us seriously. So take 10 sets and keep speaking, whomever you meet, whoever they may be. They may not be knowing anything about Krishna, they may not be interested, no problem. Start speaking to everybody, whatever you know. Even if you don't know anything, read preface Srila Prabhupada and speak from that only. That's all. And we have so many posters, we have so many materials, we have come up with 108 ideas. We will share with you. Please read. And we have come up with the FAQs. In fact, we have two brahmacharis in ICC Bangalore itself, Kumar Swami Layout, Jagan Mohan Gopal Prabhu and Samba Prabhu. They are already there in Bangalore. You can call them. They will personally guide you also. In fact, we all together as a team, we have come up with so many materials, these FAQs. And in this FAQ, we have come up with 90 questions. What and all questions you are asking, how to go about, what to answer this question, everything we have already answered. And in this 108 ideas, all the strategies are covered. And we have whatever I was quoting from Padma Purana, Skanda Purana, we have thousands of posters in different languages, in English, Hindi, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Marathi. We have come up with some booklet also. These 8-page booklets in Kannada, English, Hindi, Marathi, and all. So, which has different what is there in Srimad Bhagavatam, how it is connected to all our festivals, our culture, everything is explained. Uh, so you can start doing immediately. What you can do immediately, whoever is coming to your center, you can push them to buy Bhagavatam, because Bhagavatam is Krishna himself. So this is the first step in taking Krishna seriously. So there are so many simple strategies. I'll tell some 5 simple strategies to you. First, buy 10 sets of Bhagavatam. Today itself, buy 10 sets of Bhagavatam and keep it with yourself. You can keep it in your house, you can keep it in your office, you can keep some 2 sets in your car. Wherever you go, keep some sets, so that we can distribute to anybody, everybody we meet. And start speaking to, this is one important strategy. Take at least 10 sets to yourself. And next strategy, and I want to say, one Mataji, we had a class in Hindi, and after hearing that we have to buy at least 10 sets for distributing Bhagavatam, that Mataji, although economically very poor condition, she sold her earrings and bought 5 sets of Bhagavatam. She sold her earrings and bought 5 sets of Bhagavatam. And by Bhagavatam's mercy, immediately she could distribute 2 sets immediately. And she was so happy. She was so happy. She called me personally. I was also so happy seeing how glorious. Krishna's devotees are. If we take Krishna seriously, then Krishna will take us seriously. So very important step is take 10 sets of Bhagavatam. Then in your phone contacts, there will be thousands of contacts. Every day call at least 10 people. At least 10 people. Yesterday I called 10 people in my contact. In my contact means not even direct contact. They don't know who am I. And I also don't know who they are. I just have their number from one group, one Karmi group. I got their number. I called them. I told them that, see, I saw you, I got your number from here, but I'm sure that you are a follower of Sanatana Dharma, and for all Sanatanis, Srimad Bhagavatam is the important literature, and it has all the glories of all our festivals. The whole guide for Sanatanis is Srimad Bhagavatam, like that. And immediately, three of them gave order, and many gave show some interest. Definitely next call, I'm sure many will get. So at least call 10 of your contacts, and initially call your known contacts, so that you can be more confident, and you can push more easily. And once you are become expert in this, then you can approach unknown contacts also. This is the second strategy, very important strategy. And third strategy is Yare Deka Tarikaha Krishna Upadesh. It is not our strategy. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's very important instruction to all of us. Yare Deka Tarikaha Krishna Upadesh. Whomever you meet, speak Bhagavatam. He says Krishna Upadesh, which includes Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam. And in that, we can see that even if we count the number of books, 95% of Krishna Upadesh is in Srimad Bhagavatam. 18 Maha big books, Srimad Bhagavatam, and Bhagavad Gita is one book. And definitely, if we can convince somebody to take Bhagavatam, then definitely we can give Bhagavad Gita also along with that. That is not at all difficult. So, if we start speaking about Bhagavatam, then we are giving the full Krishna Upadesha. We are following Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instruction. So this is very important. This is not only for known people, to everyone you meet. If you are going in a train, speak about Bhagavatam to them. Even if you can't give, you can take their number, and then you can call them on next Ekadashi or next auspicious day, push them like that. At least you speak to them, even if you can't distribute. If every devotee starts speaking, you would have spoken to him in a train. Next, they will go to some ISKCON temple. There also another devotee speaks. Then they will go in some other program, Janmashtami program. There also another devotee speaks. So like this, again and again, again and again, hearing, one day he will take. So every devotee should start speaking Srimad Bhagavatam to whomever we meet. So that's why we have not kept the target that you should distribute so many sets. We have kept the target that we should have 10, we should buy 10 sets, we should speak to minimum 10 people, and we should speak to about Bhagavatam to everybody we meet. These are the main important strategies. Everybody starts following. Definitely Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam, and other supportive strategies are also there, like keep Bhagavatam posters in your profile picture. In your profile picture, we have our picture, or maybe we are having Radha Krishna picture or Krishna Prabhupada's photo, whatever it may be, well and good. But when we keep profile picture of Bhagavatam poster, anybody seeing that, they will, if they don't know, they will inquire about that. So it is also giving us an opportunity to preach. Keep your WhatsApp status Bhagavatam posters. So we can many see our posters. In fact, recently I got one order from one teacher. I spoke to her when I visited that school, and I spoke something. She immediately didn't agree. I took her number. Then last Ekadashi, I called her. I told it's a very important Ekadashi, very auspicious day. Why don't you buy like that? Then I told Bhagavatam is Krishna himself. Then she told, yes, yes, I know, because I saw in your WhatsApp status. So it's all very simple strategies which we can follow. We should discuss with the Sankirtan devotees. We should associate with the Bhagavatam distributors. So we will also get. That's why we made this Hargar Bhagavatam. Hargar Bhagavatam, Hargar Nandagokulam WhatsApp group, so that anybody can join, and every day they will get to hear the Sankirtan stories and glories of Srimad Bhagavatam. So many lectures, everything is available there. We made this for that only, and we have so many wonderful devotees, Bhagavatam distributors. I told two wonderful devotees, brahmacharis in ICC temple. You can call them, they will be happy to help you. They are in Bangalore only. So like this we should have, and we have explained everything. So I repeat again, take 10 sets, buy 10 sets, speak to 10 people every day in your contact, in your mobile phone, and whomever you meet, start speaking about Bhagavatam. If you are meeting somebody who already have Bhagavatam, speak to them so that they can become distributors. So whomever you meet, speak about Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam should be our life and soul. And let us take this opportunity and hope that everybody will start following all this. And if you are not part of our Hargar Bhagavatam group, you can join our group and get more inspiration. Hare Krishna.
Thank you very much, Mataji. We are very, very grateful that you gave us your time. We'll try to get inspired and try to follow these steps. We'll be happy to report to you if we have any challenges or if we are facing any obstacles. We'll be happy to share some good news if we have any success. Thank you very much. We look forward to hear more from you in future. Very, very grateful. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. If anybody has any questions, you can ask already what difficulties you are facing, or what you may face, or already what questions are revolving in your mind. You can ask. Hare Krishna.
Yes, anybody has any questions? Yes.
Say we don't have time to read. So what to,
There is a question. Most of the people, they say we don't have time to read, so we don't want to buy. So how to handle this?
Actually, even yes, it's a very commonest question. In fact, we have answered in this FAQ also. So what I say that with whatever we feel important, we give time. For example, if say our parents are sick, we have to take them to hospital, or we have to get them admitted in the hospital, and we have to stay with them. We will do it or not? Whether we will say that we don't have time, we will give time. So like that, now we think that we don't have time because we are not giving importance to this, and this is the important thing in our life. Krishna is the important thing in our life. Srila Purandar Das says that ನರನಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹರಿನಾಮ ಜಿಹ್ವೆಯೊಳಿರಬೇಕು. Means even dogs and cats, they have tongue, but we also have the tongue. They can taste meat, we can also taste meat, but they cannot glorify Krishna. We can glorify Krishna. So this chance is available for us. So in what sense we are busy? This ahara nidra bhayamaituna, we are busy in that, but our human form of life is not successful just with that. If we are busy with that, then we are as good as cats and dogs. When we preach strongly, then many will hear. So we have to tell them that we think that we are busy. Busy for what? Busy like cats and dogs. Prabhupada says rat race. We are busy in rat race. Our life should not be limited to that. So we should take out some time for this, our own good. We are all suffering. We see how many people are committing suicide every day. We see how many people are taking sleeping pills just to get sleep. We see how many people are becoming slaves of intoxication, of alcohol, cigarette, drugs. Because of which? Because they are suffering. They want to forget their suffering. That's why this is the only solution. That's why we made even poster for that. How one can come out of depression. So everybody need this. In fact, in one of the song, Purandardas says, Govinda, Govinda, Ninna Ananda, Sakala Sadhanava Ninna Ananda. Govinda, your means the real Ananda is in Govinda. And everybody is trying for that Sakala Sadhanava Ninna Ananda. Everybody is trying for Ananda, but they are trying, keeping Govinda away. And they can be happy with Govinda in the form of Srimad Bhagavatam. So we made poster for that also, like how Bhagavatam is Govinda himself with the beautiful Balaji. This one picture we have made. We will share everything. We'll share with the. In fact, we have shared in the group also. We can share everything. So everybody is suffering. That's what we have to preach. Not that it's like I always tell. It will be like a battle. They throw one arrow. They are throwing Agni Astra. We throw Varunastra. They throw another arrow. They throw Vayu Astra. We throw Parvatastra. So like that. For that, we should be well equipped with Srimad Bhagavatam. That's why we have to read Bhagavatam every day. Morning 1 hour, we have to read Bhagavatam. Give 1 hour when I get up every day, morning 1 hour, first I read Bhagavatam. And after that also, whenever I get time, wherever I go, even when I go to hospital, wherever I go, I carry my Bhagavatam, means whichever book I am reading. For example, now I am reading this 9th canto. So I carry 9th canto with me wherever I go. So like that, every day we have to read Bhagavatam so that we get all the energy, all the enthusiasm. We get association of Krishna, we get association of Prabhupada, by which everything is we get. And we will be well equipped with whatever astra they throw. We will have the pratyastra for that. So every day we should read Bhagavatam very seriously. We should take Bhagavatam seriously. Then Bhagavatam will take us seriously. Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji. Anybody, you can ask in Hindi, English, Kannada, any language.
Hare Krishna, devotees are asking those FAQs, are they available in book format and is that available in PDF format? How to get that?
Yeah, both are available. We can share the PDF format also. And we have actually Vaikuntha Vani, means Prabhupada lecture device with the FAQ and 2 more books you must read, and preaching means book distribution. So everything is available. This whole set is available, and FAQ in the soft copy also it is available. We can share anything you can get, no problem. Yeah. Hare Krishna.
Thank you very much, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
All from our side. Hare Krishna.
Somebody wants to ask something?
That's all from our side, Mataji. Others who
Okay.
are online, maybe if they have something, they can ask, or else we can wind up.
Okay. Yeah. Prabhu has shared FAQ and these posters also in this chat box. One can see, download this. So we will stop here and hope that everybody will take Bhagavatam seriously, so that Bhagavatam will take you seriously. Hare Krishna. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. जगद्गुरु महाभागवत पतित पावन श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय.
Thank you very much, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण.